Okay, let's look at the steps to enable the new Start menu design that Microsoft plans to roll out to Windows 11 later this year. As a prerequisite, at the time of this video, the Start menu is available on the latest release of Windows 11 through the beta channel and the dev channel. Okay, first we need to download the Vibe tool from this website, save it to your computer, and then we need to extract the files. Select the zip file and click the Extract All button. Then select the location where you want to extract the files and click the Extract button. Now we need to copy the path where you extract the files. And now we need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Then we need to use the cd command to browse to the location where you extracted the files. And then we need to type this command to enable the new Start menu design on your computer. Once you do that, restart the computer to see the changes. Now, if you want to disable the feature and roll back to the previous design of the Start menu, you need to use the same command, but instead of the Enable option, we need to use the Disable option, and then restart the computer. Now, let's give a quick look at the new Start menu for Windows 11. So this is a new Start menu, and one thing you're going to notice is now we have only one scrollable interface for all the apps installed on your computer. You will notice the recommended section is not here, and that's because I previously disabled it, and you can do that from the Settings tab, more specifically from the Personalization section, Start, and by disabling the Show Recommended Files in Start, recently added apps, Show Most Used Apps, and Show Recommendations. Of course, after I do this, then the recommended section will appear on the Start menu, as you can see right here. Now, on the menu, you can see that we have this Show All button that will allow you to expand and see all your pins. However, if you want to see all the pins, you just need to use this new option. Now, as part of this new design, Microsoft is bringing the All menu to the main page, and now we have the options to change the view for the All Apps section. And that includes the category view, which is now the new default, that it will group all related apps together. And the system will need at least 3 apps in order to create a new group. Otherwise, the apps will be available through the Other section. We can also use the grid view. And we can also use the traditional list. So one interesting aspect with this new design is that it will resize automatically depending on the size of the screen. So this is the largest layout that we're going to see. However, if you have a smaller screen or a smaller real estate on the screen, we're going to see a smaller version. So for example, if we go to the Settings tab, and then if we change the scale setting to, let's say, 200, and then we open the menu, you can see that we have a smaller version of the layout. Finally, one thing that I wanted to point out is that the new design also includes a new button at the top right if you have connected your phone to your computer that allows you to show or hide the mobile sidebar, as you can see right here. Before, if you needed to control this feature, you needed to open the Settings app, but now we have a convenient button at the top right of the Start menu. And that's it. That is how you enable and disable the new Start menu design on Windows 11. And we also went through all the design changes for this new layout. Now, let me know in the comments if you like the new design, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.